Let's keep the show going with a game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. Why don't you come up here, Ryan and Colin? Let me go over here. Hello. How are you? What's your name?
Charlene.
What is it?
Charlene.
Charlene, nice to meet you, Charlene. What's your name?
Michelle.
Charlene and Michelle. Why don't you come on down here, Charlene and Michelle? Follow me right over here. Stand right here and here. How are you? Where's my okay, here you go. Here's a microphone for you and a microphone for you. Now, what's going to happen, Charlene and Michelle? So you're going to do a scene with Ryan and Colin. Ryan and Colin are going to do a scene first, so you're going to do the sound effects for the scene for them. Charlene, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin, and Michelle, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. It's going to be really fun. You get to be part of the show. You're going to be great. The scene is Ryan is a husband, and Colin is his heavily pregnant wife. You're at an amusement park when Colin suddenly goes into labor and has to get to the hospital. You're at an amusement park when you go into labor and you have to get to the hospital. You guys are doing the sound effects. Take it away whenever you're ready.
Empty.
Maybe this one. A silencer.
Yeah. Shoot straight, honey.
All right.
Oh, there's gum in there.
Yeah.
How are you?
You know, maybe if we do a little more walking, it'll get the process going.
Let's go on the roller coaster. That'll get the baby going.
All right.
Huh?
Let's go on the big scream-a-whirl noise.
I didn't see the big scream of
It's the
world
loudest roller coaster in the world.
Are you sure you're ready for that?
I'm ready.
All right. 2, please. Excuse me.
Click.
Okay.
Hang on.
Boom.
Okay.
My water broke.
What?
That was my water breaking.
Here on the ride?
Yeah.
And we're stuck at the top. What a time for your water to break.
Well, it wasn't like I was planning this 9 months ago,
Okay.
mister.
All right, relax. Wait a minute. I brought everything in the bag. I've got the gloves.
You brought the laughing gloves.
Oh. All right, we're gonna need hot water. But we're on top of... Oh, that was handy, thank you. Wow.
What a friendly seagull.
All right, sit back. Wait, I think I see the head.
Oh, isn't it smart?
Okay, push, honey, breathe. Come on, here it is, it's coming. It's the cops.
Don't shoot.
No cop's gonna keep my baby human in this world.
Oh, look, there's a ladder. Why don't we just climb down? Come on.
All right.
Cheap.
All right. Taxi! Everyone, put your pants back on. Oh, it's screaming at you with a baby hanging out of you like that. Taxi!
I'll whistle.
I think it screeched to a halt, if I'm not mistaken.
Jim.
You sat on a cockatoo. All right, take us to the hospital, quick. Oh, that was quick.
Bam.
You okay?
Someone shot me. Why would someone shoot me?